Hi guys, welcome to Learn the Persian channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we teach you the Persian language completely. We will show you 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 5. Can you take my order? Dialogue.
عصر بخیر.
Good evening.
عصر بخیر. آیا می توانم منو را بگیرم؟
Good evening. Can I get a menu?
البته.
Sure.
همچنین میشه آب بهم بدید لطفاً؟
Also, can I get water please?
بله حتماً.
Right away.
سفارش هم میخواهم بدهم.
Could you take my order as well?
بله بفرمایید.
Yes, please. Lesson vocabulary.
آب. آب.
Water.
گرفتن. گرفتن.
To be able to receive.
سریعاً. سریعاً.
Instantly.
البته. البته.
Of course.
سفارش. سفارش.
Order.
عصر. عصر.
Evening.
آقا. آقا.
Master.
خواستن. خواستن.
To want.
سفارش دادن. سفارش دادن.
To order.
منو. منو.
Menu. Guys, lesson is over. Now, let's practice in the comment.